Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where I talk about print-on-demand business, and today we will be talking about finding different t-shirt ideas, not only t-shirt of course, but other merch ideas. And to be honest, I think that still of finding good ideas, good keywords, good trending searches, not only trending but good evergreen searches too, is one of the main skills that will help you to grow your print-on-demand business and to get good sales on different print-on-demand platforms. Today we will be talking more about finding different ideas on Merch by Amazon using stats of Merch by Amazon, but you of course can use it on any other print-on-demand platform as well. You should upload your designs on different platforms too, but most of designers earn a lot of money on Merch by Amazon, so I think it's a really good platform to find new t-shirt and merch ideas, and especially because of good amount of different stats that we can have from this platform. And today I want to talk about Podly. Podly is a platform where you can find new ideas for your designs, and not only, this platform has a lot of different other features too. And yes, it's not free, but you can also try free version for 1 week, and if you don't like this platform, you can get your money back. So I think that you should give a try to this platform, because as for me, I think that it's one of the platforms that has all features that I need to work with print-on-demand business. And it is also quite new platform, so almost any month there are some new features on this platform that can help you grow even faster. Of course, I will leave a link to this platform in description of this video, where you can go and register on Podly. But today not about registration, but about main features that can help you in your print-on-demand business. And the main is product search, where you can find some ideas that you will wish to illustrate to create your design. First of all, you can add a search term or exclude some term. It is very useful if you want to explore some niche. For example, if you want to find something about camping, you can type here camping, and in search results, which are shown right here, you will find only camping related designs that are uploaded to Merch by Amazon. You can also choose different marketplaces, not only US but also Germany, France, Italy and Spain. I think that soon it will be also Japan, but as for now, these 5 main marketplaces. You can also search not only t-shirts, but it also suits for KDP business, but as for now we will leave t-shirt search. And the next option is to choose a date when the design was published. It is very useful. You can for example choose some day, for example 2 weeks ago, and search only for shorts that were published after this date. Press set date. And also I want to hide brands, because with brands t-shirts there is often a problem with trademarks, so I don't want to find any of brands t-shirts. I also want to hide deleted shirts. And the next option is about BSR, best-selling rank. It is a number that shows you amount of sales. Now it is from 0 to 1,500,000, but I want to change it to 500,000. You can also change average BSR for last 30 days, but as for now, I want to find only t-shirts that were published in the last 2 weeks and which has a good BSR. And let's look how it works. And here we can find different designs that were published in last 2 weeks, and already they have a good sales amount. We can find a lot of autism awareness shorts, some master builder shorts, some Ukraine related shorts that are published in last 2 weeks, and it is a good idea to also illustrate these searches, these designs, because if there are some new listings that already bring their owners some sales, you can also illustrate them and have your profit from these designs. You can also go to Amazon or open a details page on Podly or add it to your favorites, but I don't think that we need to talk more about this, so let's go forward to next options of Podly. You have here keyword processor where you can put keywords that you have from different listings from your competitors and change them automatically in some options. For example, you can remove common words, you can remove duplicates and other things. It is quite simple, but also can be useful when you work with keywords. And after that you can put all keywords that you have here, and the program will help you to create title, brand name, description, and bullets using these keywords, and you will see which keywords you already used and which ones not. Okay, let's go to the next one. Favorites. It's a compilation of different listings that you mentioned as a favorite. You can also go to on-site search, which is quite simple. And the next option is archive. So by using this feature, you can find BSRs for different Merge by Amazon listings on some exact date. For example, when can you use it? If you are going to find some good holiday related keywords, holiday related design ideas, you should put here a date of this holiday that in a previous year. For example, if we want to find what was popular on last St. Patrick's Day in 2021, we can put here a date near St. Patrick's Day, and we can find a lot of different phrases and also a lot of different St. Patrick's Day related listings that had good sales 1 year ago. And for example, as for now, we can also search for some Mother's Day bestsellers from 2021, and now we have some time to make them for this year's search, because a lot of phrases they will have a good amount of sales, good search volume, not only for 1 year, but for a couple of years or even more. And next feature is calendar. Yes, of course, you can find a lot of holidays calendar in internet, and it's not a big deal to work with it. But what I like on Podly is also calendars for different countries, for France, for Deutschland, Germany, for Italy, Spain. To be honest, often I don't even understand what these holidays mean, but when I found name of a holiday, I can search it on Google, and also to make some designs for these holidays for different marketplaces. So it was main features of this platform, Podly platform. I really like how it works. Yes, of course, there are some minuses too, and in my experience, what I dislike in this platform right now is that not always it works very fast. Sometimes you need to wait for results, but it's not so terrible. So I think that main possibilities that this platform gives you, they are very good. You can find a lot of info using this platform, and I think that you should definitely give a try to this platform, especially that first week is free, and choose it for yourself if you want to work with this platform, with this program. That's all for today. Subscribe to this channel. Here I talk about print-on-demand business, and I wish you good sales. See you in next videos. Bye.